Hey guys, President of HB Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here in Laurel Grove in Guyton, Georgia. I'm checking out the Cali floor plan. This is a single story floor plan, which is super awesome. It's a 4 bedrooms, 2 bath home with 1,774 square feet, starting in the 370s. Let's check it out. All right, here's the Cali. It's a stage floor plan. They're using it for an office too, so let's be aware of that. But here's a new Laurel Grove community. Pretty nice around here. They got different trims than you see in other communities. You can see the black and stuff like that. It's pretty awesome. Okay, I'm gonna come in here. All right, it's a holiday season. Feeling good out here in Savannah. It's like 75 degrees in December. Reasons why I love being here in the Savannah, Georgia area. All right, when you walk in, you got this coat closet right there. Boom. And we're gonna go straight. We're gonna come back to those rooms right there. There's 3 rooms up front here. I just want to check out the main event here. Boom. Look at this. Now, once again, the Cali floor plan. Single story floor plan with 4 bedrooms, pretty nice and nice size. 1774. I like the way they use the square footage. Okay, the Cali floor plan. You see these, but not in this trim color on the outside. I love the trim color. Love the these are quartz countertops right here. Stainless steel appliances that come with a corner pantry, which I'm always jealous of. And then this living room leads up into the primary bedroom right here, which is also very nice. That's just a king size bed right there. LVP flooring on the floor, luxury vinyl plank, as you can see. There's a lot of space in here. I mean, you can fit dressers, you can fit, I mean, there's tons of space, no doubt. Recliner in the corner there, maybe, I don't know what you're into, but then it has its own bathroom in the primary bedroom, of course. Big walk-in shower, as you can see. And what I love is the countertops in the bathroom. They also match the kitchen, which is also that quartz dual vanity action. And then large closet coming in here. You got another linen closet, you know, for, of course, linens. And then you got your, I'm not gonna show the toilet, well, here. You got a little closet for your toilet, so I love that. All right, now let's go check out the other bedrooms that are in the front. We'll come back to that sliding glass door and going out the back. Of course, this is new construction, so you're not gonna get this particular home. Here is the laundry room right there. Bang. That is DHI's mortgage office. We're not going to go in there and bother them. They're doing mortgage stuff. What's up, Dean? How you doing? And then here's the garage. Like I told you, they're using this for an office. Okay, that's typically what happens when they have the staged model homes right there. Your floors will not be like that, and the walls will not be finished. So don't expect that. Okay. It's not even an option. All right. There's another linen closet right here. Okay. And that leads into these 2 rooms up here. So you had the primary bedroom, then you had Dean's office, which is the 1 bedroom, and the 2nd bedroom. Here's your 3rd. All right. For the surfer in your family right here. Look at that. Great. And this location, Laurel Grove, right off of 30. If you're not aware of where that is, if you're coming from Savannah, you go up 21, and then you go down 30, and boom, you're right there. All right, it's past Park West, if you're familiar with that area. There's a guest bathroom in the front with the same quartz countertops, shower tub combo, and then your final room right here. Once again, all of these rooms have LVP, and there is 0 carpet. These are nice high ceilings, especially when I think about You know, the time of year that we're in, great for a really super tall Christmas tree. You know what I'm saying? You can get a 8-footer in here, maybe 9-footer over there in the corner. It's nice. Let's go to the back here. Once again, this is new construction. They just started constructing these, so. But I just want to kind of show you what your backyard would kind of look like, okay? You see over there that stake is the right limits, and then where that fabric is your left limits. And then here's the back of the home. So yeah. So that was a Cali floor plan from DR Horton. If you have any questions about this home or any DR Horton home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.